On a personal level, one example of a threat and its impact is unauthorized charges on your credit card. It's a good idea not to store your credit information in your phone or on your web browser, even though that is convenient for online shopping. Most banks won't charge you for unauthorized purchases, but it may result in your account being frozen when you are trying to use it, or the hassle of replacing a card that has been compromised and updating any subscriptions or bills that were paid directly with that card. If you identify a risk beforehand, you can mitigate it by adding layers of security, such as multi-factor authorization. Most bank websites either require or at least encourage you to set up multi-factor authentication when you access your account. So you need a username and password, and also a code sent to your email or your cell phone. Another example of handling risk is when you book a vacation. For example, you might be considering a Caribbean cruise where the weather can be a factor and your trip could be canceled. In that case, you purchase travel insurance to transfer the risk so you don't lose out on your prepaid expenses and deposits if something happens to prevent the trip. Other types of insurance are also ways to transfer risk. You might purchase additional healthcare coverage to cover your expenses if you have an accident. If you are concerned about identity theft, there are companies that offer an insurance policy for managing your identity. These companies are also involved in their own form of financial risk management, calculating that your premium payments or subscription payments will exceed the payouts they will have to make in the event of a claim.